Renting the GoPro Hero 12 travel combo from SharePal? Awesome choice. This combo makes capturing travel memories even more fun. So firstly, what do you get? You get the GoPro Hero 12 camera, 2 batteries, a battery charger, a wrist mount, chest harness, a selfie stick, a Volta mount, and a 64GB SD card. It's perfect for traveling because it shoots in 5.3K Ultra HD videos, it is waterproof up to 10 meters, and it also includes HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, so your videos stay smooth even on bumpy roads. Not only that, it has slow motion, time-lapse, panorama, and so many amazing features. And the GoPro Hero 12 handles low light shots way better than the older models. So they're best to capture your road trips, scenic drives, adventures, family vacations, travel vlogs, and so much more. Worried about quality? Don't be. Every GoPro goes through a 12-point quality check before it reaches you. Now, what if something happens during your rental? No stress. You can opt for CarePal, our damage waiver plan. Not sure how to set it up? Don't worry. We share an easy setup video and our support team is just a call away. So yeah, the GoPro Hero 12 travel combo is your compact travel buddy that is smooth, waterproof, and ready to capture every moment. So rent it now from SharePal with zero deposit, free delivery, and our lowest price guarantee.